Asian degree of integrations will increase for a couple of reasons. Number one is that the current global economic situation is in such that global demand for Asian products will be declining, will continue to decline, and that itself is already a force for Asia to integrate, meaning they trade among each other. But even in the area of financial sector, we also predict that the degree of integrations will increase in the region. Now, on top of that, policymakers in the region shows very strong intention to increase their cooperations and integration. So that itself is already a force for greater integration in the coming years, despite what happened in Europe. Integration has potential benefits. One of the clear benefits of integration is expanding the markets, both for final goods as well as for inputs. But at the same time, integration carries risk. And at least there are two risks. One clear risk of the increased integration is the risk of contagion. Now, in order to minimize the probability of this risk from happening, Asian policymakers need to cooperate more, in particular in the area of financial safety net. And in ASEAN Plus 3, for example, they have already this ASEAN Plus 3 CMIM, Chiang Mai Initiative Multilateralized. That kind of cooperations need to be strengthened. The second risk is the within countries inequality, which may increase through the integration. Now, what Asia policymakers can do is really going back to the national policies, because despite the fact that our report put the emphasis on the trend of the regional integrations, one of the messages that we are sending is that national policies remain very important, and this will be even more important when we deal with the issues of increased inequality within countries.